ng Aurelio. As early as 78, meron ng nag-start or nag-initiate ng, I think that was, if I'm not mistaken, the very first big gathering. No? And wala pang noon. Hindi pa uso email. All we had was yung mga telephone lang, wala pang cellphone. Si Ray Bautista, si Ray Bote, those who call him that, yung endearing name, together with a group of mga schoolmates natin or alumnus, I think I can name some of them. That includes Agnes. Meron dyan, si Aida Diaz, si Carolina, Daniel, wala rito, no? Kapatid niya, and then I think si Capidel, kasama doon. Yung then there's Connie Miko, and Divina Manfoste, and Tescalisa, I believe. So they're up there in heaven, the two of them, na they went ahead. As early as 78, nagsimula na, and alam mo ginawa ng grupo? Bahay-bahay. Because walang other names to contact them. Bahay-bahay talaga. And we ended up sa outer space, sa Ermita. There were, would you believe, 130 tayo ngayon, Ilan tayo? 132? 130. 137. Meron tayong benefit na internet, 137. Ang nag-attend, 102. Doon sa outer space. Cramp station. So, one of those I need to recognize is Ray Bote. So very endearing name din sa mga close sa amin. Nag-start na siya. And then, I was able to attend one of the gatherings I think, sa bahay ni Luz Junior. And then I found out there's a group in LA. Nakita ko yung picture, about 30 of them, sa bahay naman ni Bobby Kua. And Bobby Kua started, that was 2001, nung magkaroon na ng Yahoo. No? There was Yahoo groups. So si Bobby Kua opened, tama ba Bobby? There's Bobby Kua. Started the Yahoo groups, and that initiated or that started yung paghahanap namin for those people who had email. Kasi yun lang, that's the only way na ma-search sila, mahanap. So we started looking for people na may mga na-search na kami. So, and then 2004, 2005, I think Facebook came up. So, tinransfer namin yung membership sa Facebook. Nawala lang yung umalis yung pinag-downloadan ko ng picture ng Facebook. We have currently 409 members dun sa Facebook. Ang unang nag-administer doon, and with the help of Bobby, we migrated yung nasa Yahoo groups sa Facebook. And si Agnes, yung administrator na una, Facebook, 2004-2005. So these are the three people, Ray Bautista, Bobby Kua, and Agnes Maufik, that we are here to recognize who initiated yung mga gatherings and who were there to administer yung group. And through this internet, yung Facebook, we're able to get in touch with our former classmates or schoolmates. So if there's anyone who would wish to join search lang nila dun sa Facebook na wala yung ano supposed to flash na wala yung may hawak ng laptop dun sa ano kanina Ang name ng Facebook group is AHS Class 1972. It's short. Not batch 72 kasi ang batch sa manufacturing yun yung batch ng production. Kaya we actually had a discussion. Sabi namin dapat class 72. I think sa PMA class ang sabi nila di ba? Tama Jun? So I'm here to recognize that we can we have Ray, Bobby, and Agnes up here. Hindi ko malaman na So, sabi ko may boys, alam naman flowers lang yung bibigay,
Hantok na ako.